Now we've hit the top once, twice, three times, four times now. And now I think we're finally going to come down. The reason why I think that is that, and we are coming down already. This is pretty far down, right? And I think our first stop is around 116, which is very close to here. And then we're gonna build. There's an M pattern going on here, and then if we go through this M pattern, we fall through. We're gonna fall down to the bottom of this trend line at about 114,290. What I'm seeing happening here is I think we will have a little bit of a bounce at this level. Again, not financial advice, guys. This is only what I'm seeing in the charts. I'm not a professional trader. This is what I do as a hobby. And so I do see us coming down here. I see us getting a little bit of a bounce. Thank you, Sadish. What I will be looking for here is bullish confirmation that we are going to head back up to the top of the pattern. Price likes to gravitate to the tops and the bottoms of a pattern, especially when you're in a range. That's what we're in right now. So we could go just down to the 114.2 or 114.3, or the bigger pattern that I'm seeing here right now is this. And then we could bounce off of here and we come back up to the top of the pattern and maybe we could break out here. But I see a head and shoulders here. It's a wonky head and shoulders, guys. And I'm hoping Epic Trades isn't in here to tell me that it's not a head and shoulders. But there is a wonky head and shoulders here, right? Here's a shoulder, here's a head. This could be the right shoulder and we could dump down. And if we dump down out of this pattern, the target here it's actually around 109.9. And there is a fair value gap there. So there is some confluence to this happening. If this happens, people are going to say, well, does that negate the pattern? Thanks, Solom. Nice to see you. Does that negate the pattern altogether? I play a pattern, and this is just what I learned from a trader that I learned from. I play a pattern when it breaks back in like it never left. So let's just say we do a dump down here. And I was saying to Cosmic, this could be a very quick dump, right? Like we could have a very quick dump, not only to the bottom of the pattern, but to this target right here. If we have a flash crash like that, what could happen is we could have a V-shaped recovery, get back in the pattern, and then I would treat it like it never left. And we could make it to the top of the pattern, and this could be the breakout.